Hello guys, today I show you how to install Telegram in the laptop. So you can download a file of the Telegram in this website. So I will give the website to you in the description. So when you open, just click on this for download. And after you download, you turn off your Wi-Fi and your antivirus. For me, Defender, Windows Defender. Defender setting, Defender. So make sure you turn off this one, and this one, and you go to the file that you downloaded. Just click on it. For this is my file. Double click on it, click OK, and next. Here, next, create a desktop shortcut. Next, install. Yeah, finished. So here you have in your desktop here, and you can start your message, set your location, where is your location, and your phone number, and next. So you can start it your Telegram. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.